I was silly enough to go down yet another rabbit hole. Over-engineered art supplies from Japan. Everyone knows late night doom scrolling is bad for your sleep. But for me, it's also bad for my wallet. Because that's how I found this Japanese pencil that rotates its own lead as you draw. So it basically sharpens itself. And of course, I had to buy one. But the rabbit hole didn't end there. So today I'm testing a whole pile of these ridiculously over-engineered Japanese art supplies, rating everyone and finding out just how far ahead Japan really is. Alright, let's start with the one thing that sent me down the whole rabbit hole. Now, on paper, it's just a mechanical pencil, so I thought I would bring in some high-class competition to compare against. My trusty go-to Faber-Castell mechanical pencil. Here we go. Oh my god, look at this little mechanism. It is so tiny, yet so cool. Can you see it? I just love gears and over-engineered mechanisms. As a child, I would probably have clicked that with my finger for hours for absolutely no reason, without even drawing. And I will totally not do that in the next few days. Anyways, let's actually try it out. Wow, that feels really precise. I have to get used to that. It somehow feels different. But great, let me quickly swap to my trusty pencil. Yeah, definitely different. With this one I have to tilt and rotate much more. And the Kuru Toga feels a lot more precise. I don't know if you can see this, but my good old German pencil here gets quite unprecise after a few strokes. But this one stays super sharp all the way. This is absolutely great for hatching. Wow, I am super impressed. Easily 5 stars for the Kuru Toga Uni. And don't worry, you don't have to figure out how to write that. I will put all the things I test today down in the description below. Now, this one had a cool mechanism, but let's switch it up a bit. Because the next item is actually cool because of the material it's made of. Okay, now this one, I have to admit I already used it a little bit, as you can see here. This is an eraser, but not just any eraser, because it is made from this stuff here. Sand. Now you might ask, why would anyone make an eraser from sand? Well, it claims that it can not only erase pencil, but also ink. But if you know me, you know I won't stop there, so let's give it a proper challenge with all of these. Now, of course, I don't doubt it can erase pencil or color pencil. Yeah, easy enough. But now let's try ink. Wow, okay, no problem at all. Let's dial it up a notch and try acrylic markers. Okay, that's a bit harder, but it still manages to get through it. Wow, okay. And lastly, let's try something that soaks into the paper to see what the eraser can really do. Alcohol markers. Okay, not quite, I would say. I can get through that, but it's definitely damaging the paper. I don't know if you can see that, yeah. Still, I think I will give it 4.5 stars. It can erase more than it even claimed itself, but it is a bit rough for the paper. Okay, let's go back to over-engineered mechanisms, shall we? Now, this one I am a bit puzzled with, and I will get to why in a second. First of all, this is a pencil sharpener, and as you can see, it has a dial on the side. But of course, the dial is not just decoration. It allows you to set the angle in which it sharpens your pencil. It's a bit hard to explain, so let's try it to understand. So on one, I get, okay, kind of a flat angle here, so a shorter tip. Now let's compare it to, let's go all the way up to 5. And as expected, it totally works. You get a really sharp and thin tip. Interesting, really interesting. It also has a setting to just close it, so it won't just spill graphite anywhere when it's, for example, in your bag, which is cool. But I am not 100% sure why I would want to control my pencil sharpening angle. It definitely works, but I don't think I can give it a rating for now, simply because I do not know what the use of it is. Maybe one of you knows, so please let me know in the comments. I am super intrigued to learn. Just as intrigued as I am with our next tool. And intrigue is the perfect explanation as to why I bought these ones here. Because, let's be honest, I don't think they really qualify as art tools. They are highlighters, but they do have 2 tips. Wow, look how cool this looks. That's definitely a conversation starter. So the idea is that you can basically have 2 highlighter colors at once without having to switch pens. So you highlight like this, then simply turn it around and you have another color. Now, don't get me wrong, it totally does what it says and looks super cool and futuristic, but I don't think I want to give it a rating, simply because it isn't really an art supply. Definitely super cool though. Now, I already know I will absolutely love the last item here, because I had something similar before and it is super useful. But before I get to that, it would make me really happy if you hit that subscribe button. I've got tons of tutorials, challenges and reviews planned, and I can't wait to bring those to you guys. Thank you to anyone supporting me. Now, let's have a look at the last item in my box. This pen is probably the least impressive on first glance, but it is the one that I am most excited about. Here's the thing, if you like to do art on the go, especially watercolors, you know what a pain it can be to bring everything you need. You need water, you need a cup for the water, a brush, and so on and so on. Now, this is a brush that does have its own water tank inside, so you can get rid of all of these and just bring one item instead. I did have a similar one before. Wait, let me see if I can actually find it. Where is it? Ah, there we go. The issue with this one is the tank is quite small, the brush isn't the finest, it's overall okay. But everyone was praising this one so high that I knew I need to get one. So let's test it out. Oh, that feels so nice. Look at that. It also feels like I have much more control over the amount of water coming out. This thing is so cool. There is only one way to really test this. Let's make a tiny drawing and see how well it works. Yeah, that's amazing. I just love how easy this makes everything. Easy 5 stars for me. So that was all for today. As I said, I put links down below if there's anything that you got excited about, and I hope this video was helpful for you. See you all in the next one.